Hi, we're going to learn about the Notability app. So first thing we're going to do is open it up. There it is. And I'd like you to find the bottom left corner, the gear icon. Bottom left corner. We're going to choose Auto Backup and put it on Google Drive, what we already set up. So everything's backed up in case you lose it. Type in your passcode if it asks you. Good job. Now, we're going to go ahead and start playing. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a page. I got one started. Let's create one together. Top right corner, hit the little up arrow, top right corner, and that creates a blank page. Try and touch the area where it has text. Just push it, see what happens. And see if it lets you type things in. I put experiment page, but tell you what, let's actually type that again. And this time, let's try and add the word orientation. So you can make that top left part be orientation. If you get confused, just watch this video again. All right, now we're going to play. I'd like you to hit the pencil. It's up there next to T. Oh, actually, let's do text box first. Hit text box, put it wherever you want, and then type something. I don't care what you type. Hi, my name is whatever, but just type in some text. You're going to see it gives you the option to make it bold or italics or underlined. So feel free to highlight that and change the font size or the font type. We're just experimenting right now to see what we can do. All right. You can push the little thing on the top, a little bar. You can rearrange. You can move that around. You can put the text wherever you like. You also can just put it on the page without the text box. Right now we're using the text box. We push the pencil, and the pencil lets us draw. So right now, if you would, hit the pencil and just try and draw something. Anything at all, or hit the highlighter next to it and do some coloring. You can color the pictures, you can color the words. This works well if you want to diagram something and then highlight what the teacher says. There's an eraser feature, but right now we're going to hit the finger. That just lets us move it around somewhat. Now we've had a little bit of fun, and your job is to play and just keep experimenting. Let's try adding a picture. Hit the plus, the top right corner, and hit camera. Take a picture of something. This is my clock. I want you to try and insert that picture. Now you can try and move that picture around. You can color on it. You can do all kinds of things to it. I'm going to try coloring on it. So I'm going to go hit a pencil again, I think, if my memory is correct. There we go. Except this time, I don't want black, I want a different color. So I'm going to tap the red. I'm going to tap a bigger pencil area. I'm going to start coloring. I could put labels of diagrams for math or science, but for right now, I'm going to do a little scribbling. Once again, I can put just words anywhere I want on the page, like a Word document. But your job is to play with this tonight. Just see what you can do. Now, once you get done with something, you have to do something with it. So we're going to take our notes, and we're going to hit the up on the top, the left arrow, and go back out to where those notes are. And we made that under the new student orientation, but what if I wanted to put it under math? So we hit the top left button, plus, and I created a subject, and I'm going to put one in called Math Notes. You get the plus button up there and put in Science Notes, whatever you want. But you can create categories. And if you don't like that little color, you hit Edit, you hit that little gear icon, you can change the name, you can change the colors, and you can choose categories for all of your classes. You don't have to do it this way. It's simply a method if you'd like to use it. So I have this category I can put notes in. I went back to use orientation. But what if I want to use these notes for something? So I'm going to open one of them that we created, and I'm going to send it to somebody. In that top left corner is a box with an up arrow. And I'm going to email that. Whenever I email it, it's a PDF. Not something else, it's a PDF. I'm going to go ahead and hit email notes. So I'm going to pick my friend Abraham Lincoln and send it to lincolna@dlstx.org. I'll put a few comments on that one. Hey, here's my notes. In case you missed because you were sick today. It often helps put your name on it so I know who the heck is saying this from. But then you can take whatever you drew for notes or so forth and hit send, and it goes to them. All right? It's just one tool. Play with it. You'll get the hang of it. Ask friends for help.